Hello students, my name is Sumish Sharma. I am working in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, Gurugram, as an assistant professor in Computer Science department. So this is our next lecture of web series of .NET, and in the last lecture we had done with operators and types of operators in details. I hope you have understood these topics very well. Now, today we will discuss about expression. What is expression? Types of expression, operators and hierarchy and associativity, and also discuss about evolution of arithmetic expression. Okay? So now, what is expression? An expression is a combination of variables, constants, and operators written according to the syntax of C# language. Basically, expressions are the fundamental means of specifying computation in a programming language. So, we also say that expression are sequence of operators and operands. Basically, expression is used for computing a value from the operands. In C#, every expression evaluates to a value. That means every expression results in some value of a certain type that can be assigned to a variable. So there are 5 types of expressions. The first one is arithmetic expression. So what is arithmetic expression? It is one which is evaluating by performing a sequence of arithmetic operations to obtain a numeric value which replaces the expression. In last lecture we already discussed about operators, and in which we already discussed about arithmetic operators. So arithmetic experience is a combination of arithmetic operators and operands, and we already know about the arithmetic operators, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So basically it is evaluated by performing a sequence of arithmetic operations to obtain a numeric value. Okay, an operand of an arithmetic expression may be a numeric constant, a numeric value which may be preceded by a unary plus, addition or minus sign, means subtraction. The second type of expression is relational expression. We already also discuss about relational operators. So relational expression is made up of two arithmetic expression connected by a relational operator. We already discussed about relational operator. Is less than, equal to, greater than, is greater than, equal to, not equal to. These are the relational operators. So it is a combination. It is made up of two arithmetic expression connected by a relational operator. Now relational expression means the relational operators are used to test the relation between two variables. All relational operators are binary operators and hence require two operands. The third one is logical expression. We already discussed about logical operators, means logical and, logical or and logical not. So it is a combination of, I'm talking about logical expression. So it is a combination of constant, variables, logical and relational operators. So the expression result into false or true or vice versa. The fourth expression is assignment expression. We already know about the assignment operator, means equal to. We also know about the 5 shorthand operators. Okay, so assignment operation, it is also categorized into 3 major categories. The first one is simple assignment expression, second one is multiple assignment expression, and the last one is compound assignment expression. So what is assignment expression? It is a combination of assignment operator and values or constant. So it is categorized into three major categories: simple assignment expression, multiple assignment expression, and the last one is compound assignment expression. Now the last but not least, the operator is increment and decrement expression. In this category we are discussing about increment and decrement operators. So similarly, increment also categorized into two parts, like a prefix. If the operator is used before the variable, that's called prefix. If the operator is used after the variable name, that's called postfix. Similar way, increment and decrement expression categorized into two categories: prefix increment and decrement expression and postfix increment and decrement expression. So this is the description about expression. Now we are discussing about arithmetic expression in details. Okay, so what is arithmetic expression? Basically, arithmetic expression, we already discussed that arithmetic expression or arithmetic evaluation was one of the motivation for the development of the first programming language. So arithmetic expression is an expression in which we used only arithmetic operators. Okay, so arithmetic expression consists of operators, operands, parentheses, and function call. An arithmetic expression is composed of operands and operators. Operators act on operands to yield a result. So commonly used arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiply, divide, and modulus. The plus sign is used to add two values, the minus sign to subtract one value from another, the asterisk means to multiply two values, the division slash to divide a value, and the modulus percentage to obtain the remainder of integer division. So these are known as binary operators since they operate on two values or variables. In arithmetic operation, a unary operator has one operand, binary operator has two operand, and the ternary operator has three operand. Okay, so these are the arithmetic expression. Now we are talking about hierarchy of operators. So what is hierarchy? Hierarchy means the flow of execution. Okay, basically the hierarchy of operators determine the order in which operations are performed in an expression. Expression means combination of operators and operands. So in which order we can perform the operations in an expression. So basically hierarchy of operators determines the order in which operations are performed in an expression. So operators with higher precedence are performed first. So in given diagram, we in the given slide we have a table on which priority, operators, and descriptions are there. The first priority is multiply, divide, and modulus. The second priority is addition, subtraction, and the third priority is assignment. So if two operators in an expression have the same precedence or associativity, so associativity determines the direction in which the expression will be evaluated. It may be either from left to right or right to left. While executing an arithmetic statement which has two or more operators, we may have some problems as to how exactly does it get executed. As I discussed that we have three priority levels: first priority, second priority, and third priority. Okay. Now I'm talking about operator precedence and associativity. So each operator in C has a C sharp has a precedence associated with it. Okay. Now the precedence is used to determine how an expression involving more than one operator is evaluated. There are distinct levels, means three levels of precedence, and an operator may belong to one of these levels. The operators of highly precedence are evaluated first. The operators of same precedence are evaluated from left to right or left to right depending on the level. So this is known as associativity property of an operator. Okay. Now when an expression contains two operators of equal priority, that means the tie between them is settled using the associativity of the operators. Means associativity can two types, left to right or right to left. So left to right associativity means that the left operand must be unambiguous. The unambiguous is in what sense? It must not be involved in evaluation of any other sub-expression. Similarly, in case of right to left associativity, the right operand must be unambiguous. Let us consider with an example. The given example, consider the expression is a is equal to 3 divided by 2 asterisk means multiply 5. Here there is a tie between operators of same priority because multiply and divide is the first priority operators, and both operators has the same priority. So the tie between operators of same priority, that is between slash means divide and asterisk means multiply. This tie is settled using the associativity of divide and multiply. Both enjoy left to right associativity. Okay. Now we have an example. Means in this example, evaluation the arithmetic expression. So the question is determine the hierarchy of operations and evaluate the following expression by the use of hierarchy of operations. We know about the 3 levels of hierarchy of operations. The first level is multiply, divide, modulus. The second level is plus addition and subtraction. The last one is assignment. So we have an example. We have an expression I equal to 2 asterisk 3 divide 4 plus 4 divide 4 plus 8 minus 2 plus 5 divide 8. So you know in the given example we have a level of priority. So in the given example we have an assignment means third priority, multiply divide means first priority, and plus minus in second priority. So first we can solve according to the hierarchy of operators, and if in the first priority we have multiply, divide and modulus. In the given expression we have multiply and divide also, both priority, both operators with same priority, so tie between them. Now we can choose associative from right to left, sorry, left to right. Okay, so we can choose left to right associativity. So left to right, the first operator is multiply is available. So 2 into 3 is 6. We already know that at the same time only one operations are evaluated and rest of them remains same. So 2 into 3 means 6 and all other operators remain same, expression remains same. So 6 divide 4 plus 4 divide 4 plus 8 minus 2 plus 5 divide by. In this line the multiply operator performed. Okay, after that we have 3 multiply operator is solved. Then we have 3 divide means division operators are available. But we know about the associativity, we are moving from left to right. The first operation is from 6 divided by 4. It is 1 point something, but it is integer value. It always works in integer value, we already know. So the quotient part is remember available. So 6 divided by 4, 1, that's it, remains same. Then again 4 divided by 4 in next line, so 1, the 1 plus 1 plus 8 minus 2 plus 5 by 8, and the last one is 5 by 8 according to the hierarchy of operations. So 5 by 8 is 0 point something, so 0 is available. Now 1 plus 1 plus 8 minus 2 plus 0. Now first priority is over. Then comes to second level of hierarchy of operators and addition and subtraction. So addition is performed first. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 8 plus minus 2 plus 0. Then 8 plus 2 10 minus 2 plus 0. Then we know that plus and minus on the same priority level, but we are moving from left to right. So 10 minus 2 plus 0. So 10 minus 2 is 8 plus 0, and the last one is 8. So this is an example of associativity of hierarchy, and evaluate the following expression by the use of hierarchy of operators and also precedence and associativity if the tie between the same priority operators. Okay, now I am going to provide you some important questions based on today's topic, so that you will get an idea that which type of questions come in university exam from this topic. And as I solved the last question, expression means arithmetic expression evaluation, it is very most important. So here are the questions. The first one is, what is an expression? Second, explain types of expression. There are 5 types of expression. The third one is explain arithmetic expression with example, and the last one is explain operator precedence and hierarchy. Sorry, associativity. Okay. Now, so this is the end of the today's session. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Hope you will watch my next video in which I will discuss about control structures in C#, like decision making statement and looping statements. So thank you so much. Stay connected with us. Have a nice day.